What up, folks? Lecture fan in the house. Haven't vlogged in a super long time. As usual, been streaming, been working. That's how we do it. It's a Sunday, December 8th or something. Figured I'd finally get out and go do some photography and vlogging and filming. We're up here next to this like weird like house of the Lord something or other. I'm not sure what church this is or what this building is from or anything, but we're up here. It's like we're up far west end of Billings, right out here, super far west end of Billings. It's really cool up here. We're right next to the rims, if you can see it. Check that out. Pretty cool rims action. And then what's really cool too is you can see over here, you can see the Absaroka Beartooth Mountains. You can't right now with that sun the way it is, but I did get one drone flight in, so we got one drone flight in. I also got a time lapse. So drone flight, boom. And then if you enjoyed that time lapse, boom. Okay, so basically that's it. I just came out here, I drove out here, I did a time lapse of that sun in the mountains, and I flew my drone, and we're gonna go drive a little bit more. Maybe I'll get the sunset, maybe I'll do one more flight, we'll see.